Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a and b when a square minus b is equal to 43, b square minus a is equal to 43 and a not equal to b, where let's call it is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. If we subtract equation 2 from 1, we can write a square minus b minus b square minus a is equal to 43 minus 43, or a square minus b minus times plus is equal to minus b square minus times minus is equal to plus a is equal to 43 minus 43 is equal to 0. Rearranging it, we can write a square minus b square plus a minus b is equal to 0. Here we can apply this rule: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a plus b, a minus b, and taking common plus 1 from last two terms, we can write plus 1 a minus b. Now taking common a minus b, we can write a minus b bracket a plus b plus 1. Here a not equal to b, so a minus b not equal to 0. So a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Here a plus b not equal to 0. Now taking this a and 1 to right side, we will have the value of b is minus a minus 1. It is called equation number 3. Now from equation number 1 we can write a square minus b is equal to 43. Taking this 43, here we can write a square minus b is equal to minus 1 minus a, so bracket minus a minus 1 is equal to 43, or a square minus times minus is equal to plus a minus times minus is equal to plus 1, and taking this 43 to left side, we can write minus 43 is equal to 0, or a square plus a minus 43 plus 1 is equal to minus 42 is equal to 0. Here we can apply middle term breaking, so we can write a square plus 7a minus 6a minus 42 is equal to 0. Here taking common to a to first two digit, we can write a plus 7, and last two step we can take common minus 6, so we can write a minus times minus is equal to plus 6 divided by 42 is equal to 7 is equal to 0. Now taking common a plus 7, we can write a plus 7 bracket a minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we can write a plus 7 is equal to 0 and a minus 6 is equal to 0. When a plus 7 is equal to 0, then a value of a is equal to minus 7, and when a minus 6 is equal to 0, then a is equal to 6. Now a is equal to minus 7. When a is equal to minus 7, then b is equal to minus a minus 1. So minus a is equal to minus 7 minus 1. Minus times minus is equal to plus 7 minus 1. So b is equal to 6. And when a is equal to 6, then b is equal to minus a minus 1 is equal to minus 6 minus 1 is equal to minus 7. So the answer is a b is equal to minus 7, 6 and 6 minus 7. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.